Do you know me? Yes, I used to often come to your home. Where are you lost? I am lost in your dreams. What is the broken heart saying? Broken heart is saying something. How did he come home? He was brought home. How am I looking? You are looking beautiful. How is she looking? She is looking ugly. I watch a TV a lot. Watching a lot TV is not good. What is there in mobile? There is nothing in mobile. Who would like to marry him? Nobody would like to marry him. Why did people go? People had to go. Did you do so? I never did so. Has he gone to school? He may have gone to school. What do you not have? I have everything. I have to go. Where have you to go? Whose home have you to go to? I have to go Ali home.